Absolutely. Ambassador Mukherjee has just joined me on the telecast. Ambassador, the Independence Day ceremony is taking place right now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the chief guest. He is also present over there along with his entourage. Again, the big significance of this visit, a third one being made by the Prime Minister since he came to power.
There is a particular significance to this visit because the present head of state of the Maldivian government was earlier very hostile to India and overtly pro-Chinese. In fact, he went to the extent of asking India, if you recall, Megha, when he first took over, he asked Indians to withdraw any of their assets that they had placed in Maldives to assist the Maldivian government to cope with, for example, emergency situations, etc., etc. From that to come to where we are today is a 180-degree change for them. And I would completely agree with Gautam that we have demonstrated as India that we are unstoppable. And the Maldives had better understand that without India, it can go nowhere. Moreover, is China such a benevolent partner to smaller countries? Not at all. We have seen how the Chinese behave with very small countries. We have seen the manner in which they behaved during the Sri Lankan financial crisis. It was India that bailed out Sri Lanka, if you recall. You would also remember that where, as far as Pakistan is concerned, they have virtually forced Pakistan to become a client state. They have virtually taken over parts of Pakistan as if it belongs to China. It's not a formal annexation, but for all practical purposes, there are parts of Pakistan where Pakistan has lost sovereignty over these areas to China. So, under those circumstances, and Maldives being a very small country, with its strategic location where it is situated, it is extremely beneficial for Maldives to have a close relationship, a partnership with India. And similarly, it is very important for India and for the Quad to have Maldives squarely on the side of the Quad and squarely on the side of those who want a rule-based order in the Indo-Pacific, because in a rule-based order in the Indo-Pacific, we do need to have strategic assets in the Indo-Pacific. And Maldives earlier used to be considered by India as a strategic asset, as a sovereign country, but as a strategic asset
Right.
for international peace and security. That has come about despite I was just reading the most hostile and disgusting remark made by the so-called brother-in-law of the head of state of Maldives. But as the foreign secretary said, we can live with such remarks. It makes no difference to us. I would repeat again what Gautam said. India is unstoppable, and everybody today recognizes that India is unstoppable. Megha.